Interrupting my channel. So today we are finally back with another video. And yeah, what are we making today? Egg crepes. Egg crepes. It's the first time. I think it's the first time we're making it. So the ingredients for this are I'll just show you. There you go, guys. As you guys can see,
You can read it.
they can't. No one can description now. But the main ingredients are
Okay, so you need to chop onions finally. Then you put salt. मुझे पढ़ने तो दो.
oh, okay. Chop onions which you have and you put
I
on
put
gas.
salt in.
No heat.
Yeah.
No
I put
heat.
salt in. Now I'm putting
So we already put.
2 tablespoons chaat masala.
What does this say? 1 teaspoon salt.
2 tablespoons chaat masala.
1 teaspoon salt, by the way.
2 teaspoons red mirchi.
So red spices basically.
Can you move my book? It's going to get on fire.
It's not so far.
It is.
Far away.
Then 2 tablespoons cumin powder and coriander. Oh my god, the mirchi just came out.
Cumin powder is basically
Mapani.
this, which I'm gonna be putting in. So and obviously we need some water, so it has some liquid in.
2 tablespoons of that.
So let's spoon right shoved in here.
Get another one.
Okay, we really don't know anything. This not a
Tablespoon. Because the one.
oh this is a tablespoon, man.
This is too big of a teaspoon.
Exactly, you just
2 teaspoons of each.
okay, so we need
Almost 2 teaspoons.
almost, guys, not
Not exactly.
there.
Yeah.
So this is one we just put it in.
One more, but a bit less.
There,
Less.
there,
Less.
there.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Now 2
now we need
tablespoons.
to put the other one.
Same amount for the other one.
This coriander powder. Basically, gram cumin is zira. Basically, same we're gonna do.
And we also put a bit of water in, so you can salt.
Saute, whatever that word is.
Saute.
Yeah. Yeah, we also put just a little bit of water in, not that much.
Then now we need to mix it for about 2 minutes.
And we'll see you guys after 2 minutes.
Don't you
Okay,
show
so
that?
kind of enriched. We need 4 eggs in it.
5.
5 eggs. And yeah, if it's burning, then we can't do anything. Okay, so now I put the 5 eggs in there. But you can put it time by time. Because I mean, it's
So it doesn't get stuck.
yeah. So basically, make that like scrambled, but obviously, it's not gonna. We don't want it to get cooked. So
You do want it to get cooked.
yeah, I
You don't
know.
want it to stick.
Like it's sticking kind of.
So you have to. No, not now.
Oops, it just fell like a little bit. A little bit. Oh my god, we can just slurp that back in. Guys, so she's crying with this little bit, which you're gonna put back in.
You can't put that back in. What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm not. Then I'm gonna put the next egg in.
Down there.
All the way.
2.
Yeah, I'm just putting it in. While we mix this, we'll come back to you guys in a bit. But guys, so far progress.
So as you can see, it looks like a huge mess. And that's because it's not mixed properly. So we need to continue to.
Okay, someone doesn't know how to mix. I'll just go back to the thingies. Okay, so hopefully you can read this. Right now, cheese is getting grated. We just come to you guys and show you that. Okay, so it's getting grated right now, so carry on, please. If you guys don't know what this is, then I guess. Ooh. But if you're wondering why there's random noise, about because of this. Okay. Whatever her name is, softer nails, whatever her name is. Anyway, hopefully you guys like my nail polish. Okay, so should we look at this?
So now it's almost done. You just stir it for a few more minutes.
Okay, so after this, we're gonna break 2 eggs in a separate bowl and add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix it together. So we're gonna do that and come back to you guys. Okay, so as you can see, it kind of has got stuck together. That's all fine. I mean, she's doing cleaner me now. I mean, you can just like scrape it and it will come off if you want it to. Yeah, like you can wish you do have hands.
This is what it looks like.
Yeah. And like more darkness and stuff.
No, it's more orange.
So did you get this recipe from anywhere? Anyone? What's the channel called? We need sponsor. Ruby Kitchen now.
I don't remember.
Oh, well, we But if you remember, we'd put it in the description box down below. Boss, we clearly don't. And it actually smells like under piyaz.
Yeah, that is different.
Okay, it smells a bit mitchy. It smells like chaat masala stuff. Okay, so we clearly have only one egg left. And I want to mix it, and clearly the shop is coming there in like 5-6 minutes. So we're just gonna wait for the second egg while she got a little shell or something in there. Oh, that's not a shell, this is gonna work. We're gonna mix. As you can see, this is a new bowl. We use this for cooking and stuff. We don't have a lot of bowls because we probably don't have. Now, this one, like, we've got no any. Yeah. And how much cheese do you need? You need like a lot of cheese, guys. About 2 cups.
Maybe a cheesy egg crepe.
If you want it not cheesy, then you could do like 1.5 cups or 1 cup. But we are gonna use like 2 cups from this. And you can just we're just gonna put the I don't know what that is. We're just gonna put the 2 teaspoons salt in here. So this is a grated cheese, guys. This is about 2 cups, isn't it? Or 2.5 or something. Maybe more cheese. But yeah. And we'll just put the salt in here because we can wait for those egg black. And since we have everything organized, guys. Everything. We also need flour. What's this? Oh, well, what's that?
Wheat flour.
Oh, wheat flour, guys. If you guys don't have wheat flour, you can just search for substitutes.
Just use all-purpose plain flour.
You can use, well, we can do that. You can use wheat flour, plain flour if you don't have that, or all-purpose flour for baking stuff. So yeah, guys. So don't think there's no substitutes left for you guys. There is. And yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna put in here. We're gonna put 2 teaspoons salt. I know this for 2 eggs, but obviously we're waiting for those eggs. But we're just gonna put in. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons salt and mix it together, and then I'll come back. Okay, so it may look like a lot, but this is 1 teaspoon. And we often need 1 more of this, and since it is out the spices, so I'm just gonna put that in. And
Don't fill it though for the second.
Okay. There.
Yeah.
Okay, and there you go, guys. So basically 1 and like nearly 2 teaspoons, but like 1 and God knows what spoons. And now we're gonna mix that. And guys, we need 2 cups, where to say it? 1.5 cups of flour, or wheat flour, or plain, or all-purpose, whatever you guys have. But only those 3 are substitutes. And then we need this much. This is 1 cup. It's sifted. What she did was she thinks sifting is called spoon. Putting spoon in the bowl. You guys can't have to sift it. You will sift it. So we're gonna put it in here now.
Not yet. We need to put the eggs first.
Oh, so and it says add 2 cups or whatever that says of milk. We're gonna mix. Then we're gonna mix the flour and add 2 teaspoon oil and mix. And now we wait. And there's brush oil on the pan. Is it in the pan, brush oil? Okay, so yeah, we have our milk ready. As you know, we always use whole milk, so we would prefer using whole milk. If you have like almond milk, babe, will almond milk work?
No, why would you use that?
But some people use it, some only have almond. I know what they go through. But you guys, do you want to look how whisker? It's a bit broken there. Yeah, maybe you guys could tell, but I mean, it obviously works still. Anyway, we obviously have the big blender, but clearly don't be bothered using that. So yeah, we have this cup measuring thingy. That's how, you know, whatever the word is, special we have, so, you know, concentrate on that stuff that we buy. That's how we use honey instead of anyway.
Because honey is better.
Anyway, guys, that's true. The honey is better than vanilla extract. That's why in baking we always, instead of vanilla, we just use honey. Like, that's a great substitute. We don't know if we can taste it. Those are like, I mean, that's how much you need. So that's 2 cups of milk, yeah? 2 cups of milk.
You try this.
And no. You try it. And now we wait for the egg to come, and then we'll actually do something. So we'll come back to you guys. If you want to say stuff, you can just say it. We'll come back to you guys. I think they're here. Okay, so we tasted it, and I mean, it was beautiful. It was fine, but we just started adding more
It wasn't
red spices.
Really all
It wasn't all that like before, but we added more red spices and salt. So how much more red spices did we add in?
Just a bit more.
So a little bit more, like 1 spoon or something. Now we have another egg. Okay, so now we put the flour in because we've done 2 eggs finally. Now we mix slowly. So we're meant to put the whole milk in first. 2 teaspoon oil. Okay, so the bar is meant to look like this. Grease the pan with oil. About 1 teaspoon of oil or something. And I'm sorry if people talk on the back. It's fine if you want side. Or well, in the middle then. There's like a pancake in it.
Yeah.
Oh, we're making crepes, so.
Yeah, crepes. Pancakes are basically like crepes.
And you guys don't have to see the full method, so we can't put it on some distance. Everyone will be quiet. Okay, so now I'll put the bar in with a spoon. Guys, excuse me. This is being weird. So your voice is coming in. We'll start doing thing. And like everyone's speaking, doing thing. Anyway. Okay, so anyway, so like we're just thinking it now. We're gonna put anything on top of it or anything.
No.
Oh, so we just leave it, and we need a flipper thingy. So we just put oil on top of it.
No.
Okay, I'm not gonna. Even though, guys, I didn't. Did I now? Unless I did now. Okay, so now we're getting ready to flip it. Ooh. So do you think so far is success?
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Okay, now we just go and do it on all of the oil. Okay, so now we're going to transport it, whatever that works needs.
The inside.
Yeah.
We're going to turn this off.
And don't worry, guys, that is made. Like, just in case you guys are like, it's not made, it's not made. And just turn this
No,
off.
it's not made yet. But we need to put the
Filling.
let's put the filling and the cheese. Then we're gonna close it up.
Yeah.
And it's cooking time. Then we're gonna cook it
Yeah,
by
so.
frying it with more oil.
Okay, so now I put this thing in here, whatever it's like, thinks it's called.
The egg and the cheese.
Yeah, and by the way, dots here. Just in case if you guys be like, why is it dots in here? It's natural in it for the dots to be in here because, I mean, unless you guys are gonna whisk it with God knows of blender. You put more cheese on
More
top.
cheese. Then you have to pull it from the top. Like this.
And then from that side, then push it from the side. It's basically like a pancake. If you guys have, well, I've never had crepes before, but like still.
Did it once.
No, I don't remember.
Yeah.
And then whenever you want to make it or whatever, you can go put in the thingy.
Yeah, then you just put it there with oil. But we're not making it right now, so we're putting it here on the
Or
side.
we can. I'm here. So now we're gonna make more, and then we shall make
From
more.
one side here.
Yeah.
Now when we're cooking them, actually, then we'll show you.
Yeah. Go through the crepes bit. Now, when obviously we're cooking it, so we put in a pan with some oil. Again, like always. This one we did it with this. And
With the wrapper.
and yeah, so yeah. So you just pinch it and give me it. Then place them down there just so it gets stuck together. And we did make quite a lot. But this is from my old video. Or the video that we made the separate ones of. It's getting uploaded right now. Check it now. Shall we just grease through that? Let's go. And guys, make sure not to use that much oil. Like when what? When we're doing it before. Because I think on some of them we are doing a lot of oil, which wasn't good because they weren't sticking. Even though I thought they would stick with the oil, but you just said grease it. That got captured in the video. Yes, you did. Guys, comment down right now if you said grease it. Cleaning some happening.
Who's my form
From
teacher?
crepes, search it. Let me check it.
How would I know?
No, you have to give it when you go in school.
Who's my form teacher?
You're gonna find out when you go.
Who is the form teacher?
Your normal class teacher. There'll be like 105 classes, so I'm just seeing my little brother what to do when he goes back to school. He's gonna be year 7, so that's great.
In Elton Bowling.
Look at him.
Yes, 7.
Oh my god.
Bradford.
Okay, so yeah, anyway, that was just him telling everything.
Down for a
But we didn't get
Friday,
cooked
you
in
should
the
Bradford.
Okay, so we're gonna make pizza toast now. I'm pretty sure I've got a recipe, so what we need. What is this even? So gay bolognese, we're using this. Is it this? And we need bread. So far, guys, progress. Second batch and pizza toast is nearly done. That's awesome jump. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.